Good morning, student. Welcome to your online biology class. Student, in the last week, I have started the adolescence, secondary sexual characters in adolescence. Okay, I hope you are all remember this. What is the secondary sexual characters found in the male and what is secondary sexual found in the female human beings. Okay, and what is the phases are found in the life of the human being. Reproductive phases found in the life of human being. Student, generally it started in the male in the 12 to 14 years and girls 12 years. Okay, you know what is menstrual cycle, what is the menopause. Menstrual cycle started at the age of 14 years in the girls. Okay, they are ready to release the egg. So eggs are generally released in a month during the pregnancy, during the menstrual course. When egg is not fertilized, the inner wall of the uterus will break down and rupture and flow out from the vagina. Is called the menstrual cycle. This is found every 4th week, after 4th week. So during menopause, the production of egg will stop. It is found during the age of 45 to 50 years of the human being. Okay, so they did not release egg. So menopause is the condition where menstrual flow stops. Okay, so menstrual cycle includes the release of egg from every ovaries and the maturation of the egg, breakdown of the inner wall of the uterine when eggs not fertilized. Okay, there is a concept check. Oral question are given after the completing of this topic. I think I will not explain this oral test. So all of you open the oral question. Okay, so open the page number 155. Class 8 subject science, sub-subject biology. Okay, today is 19th of December. Today is my topic, oral question. Page number 195. I am also 155. Sorry, student. 55. Question number 1. What control the change which occurs at the adolescence? What control the changes which occur at the adolescence? Okay. Write down 1. Hormones. Second, which hormone helps in in the development of secondary sexual character in boys. Okay. Physical growth, metabolism, and changes which occur in body during adolescence controlled by the hormones, and at reproducing female hormone estrogen is produced by ovaries. The production of milk and mammary gland is under the control by pituitary gland. In the male hormone testosterone, TESTO, STERE. So in the male is testosterone and female estrogen is responsible for the second sexual characters. Name the gonad which control the secretion of hormone. Name the gland. Okay, name the gland. Secretion of the hormones. Pituitary, pituitary gland control all the ductless gland. This is called the master gland. Okay. Name the male and female gonads. Male gonad, testis, and female gonad, ovaries. Single, when you write down single, TESTIS, ovary. Fifth, what is the stage at which menstrual flow in the body of the female stop called? What is the stage? It is called the menopause. Menopause. The beginning of the menstrual flow is called the menarche. MENARCHE. And the stoppage of the menstrual flow is called the menopause. Do complete in your book today. Now, I am going to start a new topic, that is sex determination of baby. Today our topic, sex determination of a baby. sex determination of a baby. You know, student, all body of the human being is made up of the cells. Cells. Body is made up of the cells, and each and every cell has nucleus. And nucleus has the chromosomes. So, all human being cells has nucleus that form the chromosomes inside the nucleus. Okay? Generally, chromosomes, there are 46 chromosomes. That is 23 pair. 23 pair or 46 chromosomes are found in the human being. The last pair of the chromosomes is responsible to determination of the sex of the baby. Means 2 plus 1. Because the last pair are different in the female and female, not male. In female, all the 23 pairs same. That is X sex. Okay? And male, the last pair is 22 pair is same, but last pair is different, with XY. Okay? XY. So, the last pair of the chromosomes of the male is main responsible for the determination of the sex of the baby. During the fertilization, when the sperm fertilizes the egg, a zygote is formed. You know, zygote is formed. During formation of zygote, the half part of the chromosomes and half part of the chromosomes of the female and half part of the chromosomes of the male combine with each other and form the zygote. Suppose this is egg. Okay, this is the egg, and this is the sperm. Egg, and this is called the sperm. Okay. When this is the X and this is the XY. When this X is half part of the male fertilized to form X, this is called the girl. When the X is fertilized, then the half part of the sperm Y forms the XY. This is called the boy. Okay. Male, baby, female, or you can male, BABY. Male, baby. In this, when the Y chromosome of the female fertilize the X cell of the female, Y chromosome of the male fertilize the X chromosome of the female, they form the XY. This is determined to get the male baby. Where the last pair of the chromosomes in male XY, when this X combined with the X, they make the female baby, Miss girl. So because the all pair of the girls chromosomes are same, 23 pairs, all are same, but the last pair of the chromosome in the male is different from the female. Means same, 22 pair are same and last pair is different. So the sperm carrying XY chromosomes is main responsible of the determination of the sex in the baby. Okay. So where X fertilizing sperm of X chromosome, simple X chromosome of the male on the female baby, and when the female X is fertilized by the Y chromosome of the male is on the male baby. Okay, I think there is no problem for the determination of the sex. Hormones other than sex hormones. The hormones. Now I am going to start first of all hormones. So hormones is a chemical substances found in the body. It is produced by the ductless gland. There are so many ductless glands that release the hormones. So there is no duct, and each and every ductless gland release the specific hormones for their specific work, for their specific special sites. Okay. So, student, the boy depending upon the type of sperm. Now I am going to explain your next topic, that is hormones. Hormones are chemical substances. Released by endocrine gland. This is found inside our body. There are so many endocrine glands, also called ductless gland. They release their hormones, chemical substances directly in the bloodstream to their target site. Okay. Which have specific So all the functions are separated. They are not matched to each other. All hormones are separated and also their respective function. So a hormone is called the emergency hormone. EMER, emergency hormones. This is called adrenaline. Adrenaline. Also called 3F hormone. 3F hormone. Okay. Means height, tried or half away. Means generally these hormones are found in the excited situation or in the very critical situation. In the very angry, excited or angry or excited. ANGAR angry or excited. EXCI excited situation. Adrenaline. ADRENALIN. Okay. And it is found over the kidney. Cap over the kidney. And insulin is secreted by pancreas, which is regulate the blood sugar level in the blood and prevent from the diabetes. Okay, so there are many glands, endocrine glands found in our body, like pituitary gland found in the brain, thyroid gland found in the neck, pineal found in the chest, adrenal gland found in the kidney, and testes, ovary found in the gonads of the human beings, and pancreas found in the below the liver. So there are many ductlets glands are found that secrete that special type of hormone that have a special type of the functions. So all these glands and their hormones I will explain in your next online class, because it takes some more time, but this time of time is going to work. So I am giving the homework. So write down the homework. I will explain it in your next online class. Homework. Read and learn. Oral question on page number 125, and read 6 determination. 6 determination. A baby. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can query ask me in any time. Okay, after 12 o'clock or 1:30 o'clock and before 5 p.m. 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. I will explain your queries. Thank you. Have a nice day, student. I hope you are all read sincerely at your home. Okay? Once again. Have a nice day. Thank you. Your class is